What if right now all Marvel characters were suddenly transported to the moon? No warning, no suits, no oxygen, just them and the silence of space. Would Earth's mightiest heroes survive the vacuum? Could magic or tech save the day? Or would it all end in cosmic chaos? Welcome to a wild thought experiment. This is what happens when all Marvel characters are sent to the moon. 1. The moon is not friendly. Let's start with a brutal truth. The moon is not a playground. There's no atmosphere, no oxygen, and no air pressure. Temperatures swing from minus 173 degrees Celsius to 127 degrees Celsius. And if you're not in a pressurized suit, your blood boils, your lungs collapse, you die fast. Even Earth's gravity is gone on the moon. It's just 1/6. That means super jumps and super accidents. So with all that in mind, let's see how our Marvel cast fares. 2. The instantly doomed. Let's be real. The first to go are the normal humans. Black Widow, Hawkeye, Nick Fury, even the Punisher. These folks are toast. They might be skilled assassins, elite spies, or brilliant tacticians, but none of that stops decompression from bursting your lungs. Even enhanced humans like Captain America or Bucky Barnes don't stand a chance. Sure, the super soldier serum made Steve stronger, but it didn't make him space-proof. The sad truth? Within 15 seconds, no air, no pressure. Most of Marvel's roster is unconscious or dead. 3. The maybe survivors. Now let's talk about the ones who might survive, at least briefly. Spider-Man, dead without a suit, but with an advanced Stark suit, maybe a few minutes of air. DNA Wolverine, his healing factor might let him survive longer. Yes, even in space. He'd go unconscious, but if pulled to safety quickly, he'd heal. Flex biceps. The Hulk? Surprisingly, Hulk might be fine. In many comics, he's survived the vacuum of space. His anger makes him nearly invincible. Just don't make him matter. Evergreen Tree Groot? Maybe. His plant body might freeze and shatter, or regrow from a twig. These characters are in the danger zone, but they have some hope, for tech saves lives. Now we get to the smart ones. Rocket Iron Man? He's been to space. His advanced suits are built for it. Tony could activate emergency life support and fly off the moon in minutes. Mechanical Arm War Machine would be in a similar situation, though his armor is more Earth-focused. A few upgrades and he's lunar-capable. Hammer and Wrench, and let's not forget Shuri and Black Panther. If they were wearing vibranium tech suits, they might survive long enough to deploy shields or call for help. Vibranium armor plus Wakandan ingenuity equals longer survival. This group's fate depends on one thing. Did they have time to suit up? 5. The magic users. Here's where it gets wild. Cyclone Doctor Strange doesn't need oxygen, he needs concentration. If he's awake, he can open a portal back to Earth in seconds. He could literally save everyone if he's fast enough. Crystal Ball Scarlet Witch? Her chaos magic could alter reality itself. She might not even need air. She could encase herself and others in breathable bubbles, or just warp everyone home. Sparkles Loki and Agatha Harkness are tricky. They use illusion and trickery, but with time they could definitely survive or fake their own deaths. Magic equals survival, but it all hinges on awareness and reaction time. 6. Cosmic and alien beings. Now we reach the cosmic tier. Remember Thor? He's Asgardian, breathing in space? No problem. He's flown through the void with Mjolnir many times. He might even laugh at the others panicking. Glowing Star Captain Marvel is a cosmic battery. She lives in space. She's fine. In fact, she could probably fly back to Earth just for fun, then come back. Person Surfing Silver Surfer? He's a space god. He's more comfortable on the moon than in New York. Skull Thanos? Absolutely fine. He thrives in deep space even without the gauntlet. Milky Way Galactus? He wouldn't even notice the moon beneath his feet. He might eat it out of boredom. This group would survive with zero effort, and probably argue over who gets to rule the moon next. 7. The real question. So, what really happens next? Let's imagine a scenario where a few survive. Strange, Thor, Iron Man, and Captain Marvel. They band together, rescue who they can, and rebuild from the lunar ruins. Maybe Strange opens a portal. Maybe Stark builds a moon base. Maybe Thor names it New Asgard. But the longer they stay, the more dangerous it gets. What if Magneto manipulates lunar metals? What if Moon Knight claims the moon as sacred ground? What if villains like Dormammu or Kong show up and say, "Hey, nice moon. We'll take it from here." The moon becomes the next great Marvel battleground. In the end, sending everyone to the moon would be catastrophic for most, but a new frontier for a powerful few. It's a reminder that in the Marvel universe, power isn't just about strength, it's about adaptability, knowledge, and sometimes a bit of magic. What do you think would happen? Who would rise? Who would fall? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, or we'll teleport you to the moon next.